Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you very much for your love and support. I really appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. In this channel, we react to our videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your share and carry your popcorn, and let's deliberate on today's update.
And we are waiting for those inside. I don't know where the inside means, to clear us before we can enter. The last time we were here, we entered. And let's hope that today this delegation will enter. We want to see what is going on, because it's a political trial. It's not just a legal trial, it's a political trial. It has international implications. That's why we're
another representative, please. For on behalf of Otuokiwu, I'm the chairman of Otuokiwu in Abuja on litigation. Last adjourned date, we made it very clear that Ohaneze Ndibo, led by Malene Senior, will represent. So I was the one that personally made the appeal, passionate appeal. Although my Lord gave us 6 slots of lawyers that will represent, but we'll try to severe them because we are not representing Nnamdi Kanu per se. We are lawyers in Abuja, Igbo lawyers in Abuja, who has interest in the matter. Likewise, Ohaneze Ndibo. So they should be, if they are giving Nnamdi Kanu legal team 5, at least Ohaneze should be getting like 3 or 4. Otuokiwu will be getting like 3 or 4, so that everybody, because we have written that we want to know what is going on, what everybody is doing, all the people, what their interest is to make sure that a fair trial is given to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That is the essence of whatever we are doing, because the law is very strict on the issue of fair trial. So thank you. We thank the media people who are carrying this message. That is most fundamental. We must give people credit, because without you people, this case will not see the light of the day. We are here to make sure that this case gets to the logical conclusion. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you. Yes.
Good morning.
Okay. How are you?
Leaders from the southeast, they call Ohaneze Ndibo, going to be here to witness this trial. They say they want to make sure, this trial they free and fair. So far, they say they didn't wait for clearance. People will clear them, made them for fee, enter the courtroom. Here live for Federal High Court, Abuja, where Nnamdi Kanu trial to happen. We gather here. Alright, then sit down for here, and we also today here to give updates as the trial they go. If you just join us, these royal fathers, we don't follow us talk about why they here this morning to support Nnamdi Kanu and also to witness the trial. Say part of their responsibility as royal fathers from the southeast of Nigeria to come here and witness the trial. Okay, that's not Nnamdi Kanu, lawyer, barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, one of
camera. Onye nwanyị ọkwa dike na n'akụkụ. Na n'akụkụ ka ndị bụ nna ga.
be now.
I'm coming. We're from at this stage. I'm supposed to meet with them.
That's now Nnamdi Kanu lawyer barrister Ifeanyi They try to get clearance for royal fathers and some leaders from the southeast of Nigeria to enter the courtroom to witness Nnamdi Kanu trial will happen for the Federal High Court Abuja this morning. Brust, Nnamdi Kanu lawyer, so they here present. Then they try to get clearance for some of the southeast leaders. We then call Ohaneze to enter the courtroom to witness this hearing today.
Prof, Your Royal Majesty. Hello, sir.
One is Indigo leaders waiting to get access to the courtroom for Nnamdi Kanu trial will be happening for the Federal High Court. Trial been started on July 26th this year. As of the first hearing, Nnamdi Kanu, DSS no bring down court talks in based on some logistics issue. Justice Binta Yaakov later adjourned the case to October 20, so then sit and the trial happened last month before then later adjourn to today, November 10.
Yes, I'm coming for you now.
Mandela, how do you now? Stop.
Already talked to now 6 lawyers to witness they don't already talk to you. If you allow everybody who is here today, so many people now come out, royal fathers or these individual leaders. Just 6 lawyers, 2 lawyers now here for here. Some say they represent Southeast, some Nnamdi Kanu personal lawyers. I see them
You can't move back. Give this lady space.
So they say they will take them in batches. So batches, they will come back and take the traditional rulers and just let's see some of them.
Mama, what the hammer is?
Have you gotten to where they vlog? Eh? I don't know where you will meet you.
Don't talk to them. So many people
Let me give you, if I change, I'll come out for which one you give find change and come out collect. You know, find change. No, collect that 15 naira and join your 14 naira and 19 naira and collect it.
What's they say? People, lawyers, supporters, royal fathers from the southeast of Nigeria, and his indigo leaders. I see they wait for here to enter the courtroom where Nnamdi Kanu trial to happen today. Make I just run on through waiting the happen, the trial of the separatist leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. They continue today for Abuja. Kanu will be the Oga of the prescribed Ipob group. He's going to make him a third court appearance since June when security agents bring them to Nigeria from another country where they no really mention enter Nigeria to come answer some cases. Allegations we don't say now for Kenya they arrest Kanu, but the Kenya High Commission to Nigeria don't come out to deny this allegation. I just they give them a background. Okay, that was some lawyers we see one enter, but they don't already choose 6. They no be all the lawyers now if you enter.
Yeah, they will check the custody. They have the custody.
So what's your
Hello, I just think hello, sir.
Alright, that's not some of the lawyers we won't enter. Normally to go to their work as a trial. So yeah, these are some of the things where you're supposed to know about Nnamdi Kanu case really happened today. What's the Nigerian government that accused Kanu of? Nigerian government accused them of the Ipob Oga say he was secession and also say in the broadcast lies about the country president, President Muhammadu Buhari. They also accused and say the member of the group the government already banned. Most of the accused they based on the things where him allegedly talked in radio way that they call Radio Biafra where he broadcast from outside Nigeria. From his accused, they say the broadcaster from London.
In Igbo land for entering the court. We are even stopping lawyers from entering the court.
Because this country is small, this can
Traditional leaders from the southeast of Nigeria, lawyers.
I don't know you. I don't know you.
Just carry one person now. I know they clear with you.
onye anwa ha kpọrọ onye anwa akụba ya n'ime ụgbọala mana dịka isikwu anyị amarọ onye bụ onye anwa.
Seven count charges based on terrorism, treasonable felony in Nigeria.
Ndị abụọ anyị otu anyị bịara ebe o nwere ndị bịara ndị mgbada nsogbu baa onye a na-akpọ nwere so were ebe ndị ọkpọ ndị isi Nigeria baa ya ọgụ emecha emechakwa jide ndị a mana taa onweghị onye ọbụla nyere nsogbu anyị ga-asị amaghị onye a mere ya mkpọrọ ya mana
what be the 7 count charges
na
those of now we know One of them now say allegedly using radio broadcast for alright, they try clear some lawyers to enter because of the tight security waiting on ground, waiting for the case, they don't just allow anybody or everybody to enter today. So the cases where they have Nnamdi Kanu today that saying they allegedly is a radio broadcast where goes to separate southeast, south-south, according to and even Benin State from Nigeria for Biafra land. That's now one of the issues where in the face to federal police Poland. They're also saying allegedly declare himself as a member of the institution of Biafra, ways the government already banned. Them also saying him allegedly commits terrorism when he used the radio broadcast for London to encourage members of Ipob to attack today, this trial judge will preside on the case of justice. Another matter waiting for today is the lawyer, Mr. asked make this court allow them TSS custody based on some reason. But the justice say no, so he will still be there. They talk say make their career in correctional center. Justice say make this for DSS custody. So today he expected enter bbcpidgin.com from the website. There you will see the updates, the read all the story about what's going on from July 6th when the court first sit down to start this case. Although no votes that first day because DSS no carry Nnamdi Kanu enter court. The first time we the trial really hold now for October 20 last month. We wait for the outcome. The judgment set your notifications that Facebook will be allowed to anytime we go live because we are here today until this trial and give an updates every minute. So far, Nnamdi Kanu lawyers, we don't come up from here, don't enter inside the court. right, we're going to bring on more updates as this case or this trial, as we call it, happened for the Federal High Court, Abuja, this morning.
Okay, I'm fine.
Nigeria government with their usual practice trying to now restrict people from not entering into the court premises as usual. But believe me, today God is going to prove himself strong and everything is going to work out perfectly well. Today is the D-Day and nothing can change the hand of God from not working, and nothing can rewind what God has ordained, or nothing will block, bind, or hinder the grace of God upon the life of His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu. God has been so faithful and is going to prove himself strong today. So no matter the high security, just take note, keep yourself in prayer, and know that God in his own way is going to make everything perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, just stay tuned to this channel because I will be bringing it to you as soon as possible. Everything that is going on, you are going to see it live and direct from this channel. Thank you very much once again for your support. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the bell icon so that today you will get all the notification now and always. See you in my next post shortly. For now, I say bye.